máa gbé wọn nìkan lọ, and this is many reasons tí a ṣe ń kígbe pé kí Yorùbá dá dúró as an independent country, so that kí life wa lè wà meaningful, kí a lè gbé life tó better, tó rọrùn ju èyí tá à ń gbé lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ nísìn. Àwọn Buhari lọ, I'm going to look for Muhammadu Buhari. I don't know whether the one that died or the one that is still alive, but I'm told that Buhari is currently receiving treatment in London. So I'm on the mission to go and look for him and pray that I find Muhammadu Buhari on behalf of 200 million Nigerians, that President Buhari refused to do the needful. So this is the Koiki Media. We are currently going to look for Muhammadu Buhari. I'm on the mission looking for him. He's currently hiding somewhere in the hospital here in London, receiving treatment. Even though some say Buhari died in 2017. I don't have the proof to such. But one thing I can tell you is that I am currently looking for President Muhammadu Buhari, hiding somewhere in London. So let me show you the view from I'm currently on the bus heading to the private clinic. I've been given the address where Buhari is currently receiving treatment. I've been told that Buhari doesn't want to see any Nigerians, whether a nurse, a doctor. Buhari is not interested to meet anybody. But I want to meet him. Pray that I find Buhari on behalf of 60 million Yoruba people, that Buhari killed many of our people. Now, we need to find President Muhammadu Buhari. Pray that I find him so that I can give you all the necessary updates that you need to know. So I am currently on the public transport, as you can see. I'm the only one on the bus. There's nobody with me on this bus, and that is the good thing about the public transport in the United Kingdom. It doesn't matter whether you are the only one traveling, it will still be taking you to where you're going. So let's watch. It's quite a little bit warm. The weather is extremely beautiful. Let me leave it that way. You know, the weather is beautiful. I carry along with me my Yoruba Nation self-determination, as you can see there. So we hope that the international community will respect our right to an independent Yoruba country, so that we can run things ourselves, so that our future Yoruba politicians will not have to run to London, America for medical treatment. We can look after them. And I also carry with me my emblem that represents me, the Yoruba Nation flag, which is currently the standard American flag, as you can see there. So these are all the reasons why we are saying to Yoruba people, self-determination is not a crime, and it can never be a crime. So don't let anybody intimidate you that you know, we want to break Nigeria. No, Nigeria was never a country, and Sunday Igboho is not a criminal. Okay, Sunday Igboho is a criminal. Self-determination is an offense. We have the right, like the Scottish people that doesn't want to go as well. So let me put my camera to the front. Oh, I need to adjust it so that you can see what is happening in the front. I need to remove this. So self-determination is not a crime, and we are not going to allow Tinubu, that also says he doesn't believe in one Nigeria at some point, to intimidate us. We are exercising our right like the Scottish people, and that right must be respected by Tinubu and his government. Whether Tinubu likes it or not, Tinubu needs to respect our right to self-determination. So that's exactly why we are doing what we are doing. Bear with me, the network is not very strong, but we're going to manage. So mo kí gbogbo ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa káàkiri, tá bá ń sọ fún yín sórí pé mi nìkan ni bọ́ọ̀sì ń gbé lọ, kò sí ìdó kan, torí pé the service is to carry somebody or to go and do the job. Kò dàbí ti Nàìjíríà, kò jẹ́ pé wọ́n nìkan wọ́n máa make sure kó kún kó tó gbéra ńlẹ̀. So mo kí ẹ̀yin èèyàn wa, à ń wá Buhari lọ, wọ́n ní Buhari wà ní London. Buhari is in London, so Koiki Media is looking for President Muhammadu Buhari. So I hope that many of you are aware that Buhari was the president for 8 years. Yet, he could not prepare his exit when he's going to be sick. Rather, he's receiving treatment in London. Buhari Jinadu, a very good afternoon. The weather is extremely beautiful. It's exactly 1:32 p.m. local time in London. Remember, this was where we traveled when Oloye Igboho came to London. Orí títì la gbà kọjá, títì ni wọ́n parẹ́ fún wa. How many of you remember last year, October, when we had that fantastic rally? No police was killing us, no tear gas. This is why we say that Nigeria can never work. Mo kí bàbá wa Prophet John Ogundele, mo kí Princess Victoria Olaiwola Ekaboma, Obina Henry Chinebu. I hope that many of you will make it to UK in time. If otherwise, pray that you have your country so that we can negotiate our coming to America, going to UK, as Dubai has now said no more visa for Nigerians. Everybody go chop breakfast. If you can run away, run away. But most importantly, we need to exit. So let me quickly show you one more time again our lovely campaign material. I travel with it all the time. Self-determination is not a crime. It is an inalienable right, and that right will be respected by the government. Saheed Balogun mo kí ẹ, ẹ káàbọ̀ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń darapọ̀ mọ́ wa, mo kí gbogbo ọmọ Nigeria. We are looking for President Muhammadu Buhari. President Buhari is in London at a private clinic. So I don't have any evidence that Buhari ti kú. I don't have the proof. Ìtúnà about any proof, mi ò lè sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. All I know is that Buhari is in London receiving treatment. All the information I have is that Buhari wà ní London and is receiving a first-class treatment, while many Nigerians at home do not have access to good quality hospital. Buhari wà in London, òun wá gba treatment. So these are all the reasons why we say a future Yoruba government must not accept any politician traveling outside to receive treatment. So that is going to be our stand. Ẹ ṣé gan ni Mr. Ajayi, Saheed Balogun, thank you so much. Ẹ ṣé gan ni darapọ̀ mọ́ wa. So wọ́n ní Buhari wà ní London. So a fẹ́ lọ mọ ibi tó wà. We are going to look for him. We are going to find him. So that is the little I can show you. I'm having problem with the network. So Olagbara Ọlọ́run, ẹ ṣé gan ni bàbá wa John, Jeremiah, ẹ ṣé, thank you so much, every one of you. Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí ẹ̀yin tí ẹ fẹ́ lọ abroad, Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kí visa kó bọ́ sí. America is tightening up, Canada is tightening up, but don't give up, keep trying. You might be lucky and you might get that visa to take you to your dream destination. It's good to travel. Don't let any Nigerians tell you, oh, don't come to UK, don't come to America. Tell them, no, you are coming. As long as I'm bashing Benibet, you also have the right to travel, and that is exactly what you need to do. Travel as much as you can, visit countries, so that way, make sure you travel as much as you can. So once again, it is the Koiki Media. We bring it closer to your doorstep as we do on this platform, so that kí ẹ lè láǹfààní àti mọ bó ṣe ń lọ, torí bó ṣe ń lọ làwa máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ lé lórí. So ẹ má yẹ kẹ́ni kankan sọ fún yín pé kẹ́ má travel. Tell them you will travel and nobody should tell you otherwise. And tó bá ní kẹ́ má travel, ẹni káwọn náà padà wá sílé. Most of them are not going to return back home. You cannot sit in America, sit in England, sit in Wales, Scotland, and I'm sure. So that is London there. This is Oxford Circus, a very busy place. Once again, it is the Koiki Media bringing it.